All right, people always ask me, why do I need to hire you, pay thousands of dollars to you to build me a website, create a logo when there's all these little nifty tools and AI that I could use to do it myself? Well, when you first start out, a lot of times you don't have the funds to hire someone. But as soon as you have the funds, I would suggest that you hire someone. The biggest driver for me to say you should hire someone as soon as you are able to is you need to stay in your lane, focus on what you have expertise in, and elevate your business with excellence. And one of the key aspects of DIY versus hiring a professional is you don't know what you don't know. Professionals have spent time, experience, education learning their trade and learning what they know, and are able to kind of ask you the probing questions that allow us to bring your vision to reality. So doing it yourself oftentimes leaves you a little bit lacking because you don't know what you don't know.